Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can make $50 every single day. Making money is so easy in this 21st century. So you can sit at home and you can make $50 or more every day. How you do that? You don't need to buy a product, you don't need to have an office. From the comfort of your home with your phone, your smartphone, or your laptop or your PC. Good. Now let me show you how you can make $50 every day. There are various websites, there are various skills, there are various tasks you can be doing on net. Every day you are assured of more than $50. So let's get into it without wasting time. Number one, we have Max Bounty. This is an amazing site that you can earn a lot of money. In fact, you can earn more than $50 every day if you focus on it. Max Bounty is a CPA network, cost per action network. It's an affiliate, but they pay you rather than traditional affiliate network. You get paid every time someone makes a sale with your link. They pay you every time someone completes an action. So here you can make more than $50 every good day. Sitting at home, making money is very easy with this Max Bounty. Another place you can make money is Fiverr. Probably you thought it's Fiverr, how it works, you don't know how it works. Yes, I want to let you know that this is where you can offer your skills. A graphics designer, website designer, content writer, content creator, you can make more than $50 here every day by rendering your skills to people who need it and they will pay you. This space is genuine. This is legit. You don't need any office. You don't need to buy a product. Another place you can make more than $50 every day is Upwork. Upwork is similar to Fiverr, but you charge per hour or per job, depending on your contract. So here you sign up and you render services. Here you can even make up to $300 every day, more than. So we are going to talk about ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network. It's got a lot of different offers from different niches. So it has different things like arts, culture, health, finance, business, education. ClickBank, you can earn more than $50 every day. Yes, earning money is becoming easier in this generation with time and technology. You can sit at home and you can earn it. So please, these are the few places you can make more than $50 every day. Yes, we'll continue. Please click and subscribe to this channel to get more of how you can make money online without investment, without buying and selling, without going out, but right in the comfort of your home with your device, and you are connected to the internet. You are sure of making more than $50 per day. So we'll be back shortly for the next video. Thank you.